Welcome back to BaiBrick City. This is the third episode of building my LEGO city from scratch, and today we are going to build the beach. First, let's take a look at what we'll be building today. First up is the waterfront area by the hotel on the left. I'm going to build a seawall here. Next up is the seaside tram boulevard we built last time. I'm going to extend the sidewalk out a bit. As you can see, I've added a canal running through the city, which will flow all the way to the sea right here. This will split our beach into a larger one on the left and a smaller one on the right. On the right, I've extended the area out a bit. This is where I'm planning to build a commercial district in the future, which means this beach here will be a little smaller. Alright, enough talk, let's get right into building. What I'm working on now is the sidewalk for the tramway boulevard. The previous one was a bit narrow, so I need to extend it out by another 6 studs. Over here, I'm building a section that crosses the canal. I'm using some longer plates for the bridge itself, and then I finish it off with some tiles. Over here, I'm working on the waterfront area near the hotel. I've also extended out to make the sidewalk wider. I also swap all the tiles for light grey ones. And we'll do the same thing over here to expand the side. Alright, next up, we're building the seawall. I'm grabbing pieces for it from the LEGO brick wall. I'm using a mix of dark and light grey bricks, just alternating them as I go. Next up is the main event, the beach. I start by outlining the shape with tan colored pieces, and then I gradually fill it in, raising the level as I go. Now I'm working on the second layer, and I need to add some support pieces underneath to reinforce it. And finally, it's time for the third layer. Once that is done, we add a retaining wall on top as well. And here I build a set of stairs, so the citizens can easily get down to the beach from here. Let us start by building the retaining wall here as well. We have extended the whole thing out by 3 base plates. My plan is to build a parking lot here along with some restaurants. Alright, let's keep going and build the beach on this side. Even though this side of the beach is on the smaller side, I still go with 2 layers in total to give the beach a bit more depth. Alright, our beach is finally paved. Next up, let's add some things to it. I bought the retired LEGO set 31083. This set includes a yacht and a few beach scenes. The ship has a detailed interior and a really beautiful exterior, making it the perfect addition to our beach. Let us add some decoration on the beach. Next, add some minifigures to the beach.
What the dog doing?
Our LEGO beach is almost finished, but there is one last step to go. I bought a ton of 1x1 transparent pieces from the brick wall. I'm going to sprinkle them into the sea to create some waves. Alright, with that done, let us check out the final result. Alright, welcome back. Our beach is finally complete. As you can see, the beach looks really great with the waves added. First, let's check out the large beach on the left, where I've added a few things and details. First up, we have these steps here, which let people come down from the street onto the beach. This beach is bustling with people enjoying all kinds of activities. For example, Someone is lounging in the sun. There's a cooler with some cold drinks right next to them, which looks super relaxing. Over here, we have got 2 kids building a sandcastle, and there's a hot dog stand with people lining up to get their food. And right next to that, we have a spot where you can rent beach buggies. And to the left, we have the boutique hotel. It has got a major upgrade to a sea view room, so you can bet the prices are about to skyrocket. And then we have the beach on the right. This one is a bit smaller, but it's just as beautiful. Compared to the bustling beach on the other side, this one is much a quieter little spot. We got a crab here and a lonely coconut tree. So which beach is your favorite? This area on the right is not finished yet. I'll be raising ground level here later and building a parking lot. I also plan to add a Lego Simpson Krusty Burger right here, so stay tuned for that. Alright, let's wrap up by taking a look at what's on the water. This yacht looks absolutely fantastic. It really adds a lot to the whole beach scene. And over here, we have a surf minifigure. Next to that is a police jet ski. And right at the canal's exit, I've also placed a jet ski. It looks like the minifigure just raced all the way out of the canal, which is super cool. This green boat is from the LEGO City 60014 Coast Guard set, which was actually the very first set that got me into the City series. And that is a wrap for the beach area. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. We'll be continue to build out this LEGO City in the future, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye!